Hi, this is Priyanshu. In today's video, we are going to talk about our class 7 social studies chapter 11 that's name is production in the factory a paper mill, and this is related to the our Andhra Pradesh state board. And if you are looking for the question answers, keyword answers, then this video is going to be a very helpful for you. Okay, so we are going to see the question answers and keyword answers. So let's just start with the keywords. The first keyword is platforms, conveying belt, fiber line. Okay, now fiber line, and this is a label, allowance, bonus, pollutions, working hour, raw materials. So this is the our keywords. And if you have a textbook, then take your textbook with yourself, because whenever you get any doubt, any confusion, it is going to be helpful for you. Okay, right. So if it is clear, then let's talk about improve your learning. Generally this is called the question answers. This is the first question, and here is the answer of this one. Okay now, right. If it is clear, then let's talk about the second question. This is the second question. Explain the process of paper making in your own words. And this is the third question. Do you think the paper mill will be stop working one day? If it is does, what will be the importance of the labor lives? And this is the answer. Okay, and here is the fourth one, answer of this. Okay na, so it is given here. Then after it is the fifth one. Here is the answer. Imagine a world without paper. What alternative will you use instead of paper? And here is the answer. This is the sixth one. Here is the answer. What do you think are some of the things that can be done to stop pollution cases by industry? Seventh one. Okay, and here is the eighth one. All right, and then after this is a ninth, and then after this is a 10th one. All right, and here is a project work. You have to write a some editorial to like you have to write a letter to that one. I written here. Okay now, once look at this. Okay now, that's the enough for this one. Okay, now this is total till here only. Whatever in this one, everything is clear. I hope this video is going to be very helpful for you. So let's see you in the next video. Jai Hind.